Child, it's day 3 in the Brandon Isabelle trial, and this is what I've learned. I still don't know what the defense is doing. The state calls Sergeant Justin Smith. He's a homicide detective, and he was involved in the search for baby Kennedy. You will recall that I told you that they never found her, and they only found her hat. And on cross, the attorney asked where it was located, how close it was to the river, were there any tracks or footprints? The answer was no to all of that. And then we get Lieutenant Wimbush on the stand. He is a homicide investigator, and he was involved in the questioning of Brandon. They questioned Brandon on February 2nd of 2022, and it was a very lengthy questioning, very lengthy. He started off with his concocted story. He said that he did meet with Danielle. He gave her some baby clothes and some baby things, and that wherever they met, in the parking lot of where they met up, he just handed her the bag out of the window. And they just kept pressing him, asking more questions. And the story kept changing ever so slightly, or he would add a few more details here and there, or he would leave out certain details, like liars do. But eventually, he just admitted what he did. Then they started asking him, what did you do with the baby? What did you do with the baby? He said that he left the baby in a park close to the river by a fence. First he said in her car seat, and later he said not in the car seat. They started sending a search team out to the area where he said he left the baby. The search team called back and said they didn't see a baby. So eventually they just took Brandon on down there. Show us exactly where you left this baby. After an exhaustive search, they still did not find baby Kennedy. They eventually just went back to the precinct. And all of this makes me wonder, why are we even here? Anyway, we're going to see what day 4 brings us. Continue to follow me for more updates on this and other trials. Bye.